Right, we've got a bit more. A few of the old auto parts. Wheel bearings. Oh, yes. Get on there, Alex. Oh, sorry, mate. There you go. Let's go get some more tap. It's all for tap, bud?
Yeah, all of it, mate. I've got a little bit more in the back there. So I've got the other parts to these sofas here.
These are what I'll be able to take for you, dude, because there's material on them. They won't let us have them in the yard. I'll start chucking this on, is that okay, yeah?
Yeah.
Fair bit, yeah? Whatever that is. That got me. Cheers, mate. Facebook.
I love watching stuff like that.
Find some really good stuff, you know. Right, that's all that on, guys. Let's go and get some more tatted. Right, we've got a bit more here. You get any more, boss? I only live local. Don't mind if I've got my camera on there. I'll do a channel, so. Okay, doke, mate. Cooker. And he's going to get me a telly. I stacked all this load, by the way. Got it nice and compact. More weight. That's fantastic, mate. If you get any more, give us a message or a ring or whatever. Thank you very much, buddy. Stuart, my name is. Yeah. Have a good day, mate. Thank you very much. See you later, mate. Alright, that's a cooker and a TV we just got on. Let's go see if we can get some more, mate. Yeah, we've got a bit more. I think that's a radiator, you know. That's a nice little radiator, right? Made up of, that's pretty cool. Well, later on, I'll catch you in a bit. Ooh. Right, yeah, we've got some more tat here. The old exercise bike thing. I think it's a cross trainer, I hate they call them. But we have it. Scrapamundo. It's all good. It's all good, mate. Just take up a lot of room, but once I get some more machines on, hopefully when I get more machines on, I'll chuck it on top of it. Let's have a look. I'll tell you what, it's getting slim pickings these days. Proper. Trying to get this cooker up here. Oh, that's heavy. I'll probably a little item there. Had a couple of laptops give me. Put them separate. There you go, look. Just jump back out on me about that. Right, let's have this cross trainer around. I think I'm going to have it right in that gap there. I was going to have this on. And we'll go and get some more tat to eat. Right, we've got a radiator in the skip. There's only one in there. Shine the water full. I think this is now, I think it's number 8, are you sure? Number 8. 8 radiators. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's go and get some more tat out. Washing machine. Oh yes, I'll be driving about a bit though. About 15 minutes without picking anything up. Nice to see a washing machine after all that time. Oh. Still got a big empty gap there that needs filling. Let's have this washer on. Beautiful, beautiful. So I'll make a bit of space for it, eh? I do, I could do a bit in there. Oh, look at your shit. I don't spot that. Must have been in that fire bin. You little beauty. Take that mouth off while I'm here, right? One less job to do while I'm over there, or when I'm over there. Right guys, pass that on. Let's go and get some more tat. Let's go and fill this truck out. Alright guys, pair of alley ladders. And we're on. Let's go and get some more tat out. Right there. Oh, you mowing the lawn? What? Are you mowing the lawn or is that scrap?
No, I'm mowing it.
Okay, mate. Righty, righty, yo, another machine. Dishwasher. Yeah, that heavy, but motor, wire, I'll take it. Let's get this towel lift down. Let's get it on it. Get on there. Get on. Could do us doing something with these chairs, if I'm honest. They're in the way. Well in the way. The ladders here. Oh dear me. I want to bury my axe. Them are better there, are they? Oh, I'll get that in there, will I? No chance. I'll just have to find some scrap to fill it up. Really, I could have put that on top of there, couldn't I? On top of that dishwasher. Then I've got a bit more room because I've got a washing machine in the back of my van. See if I can get it up there, eh? Take these feet off. Make sure nothing's catching. Nearly, come on. I can get that in that. Ooh, someone's slopping it. That seat, bloody seat, and the Uber handle. Hang on a sec. Right, that's loaded. Let's go and get some more tatay. Alright guys, got a bit more here. Another machine. Tumble dryer. I don't know where to put it. Well, I'm not going to put it. I was going to chuck it over, but I'm going to place it in that gap. Let's get the tail lift down. Move these chairs over a bit. I could put it on top of there, but I can't be bothered to get a strap out at the minute. That'll do there though. Let's go and get some more tatay. Hoover. That's an old Dyson. But I'll take it, mate. There's a good motor and wires in these. Oh. Get on there. Gonna get some more tatay. Alrighty, we've got a bit more here. Towel red. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. I've got some rads on here today, I'll tell you. Anything else in there, you reckon? Oh. And then one more. Tiny bit of copper there. Shame I can't make some use of that. So we can get some more tack, guys. got a bed guard for me, and that was a TV. Let's go and get some more tap. Got a bit more. Bit of exercise stuff, I think. We'll take it. Nearly a full load now this is. I've got a washing machine in the back of my van. And I'm on my way home now and I'm going for the estate. And see if we can fill it all up. Let's get going. Well, alright, so I think this is going to be the last piece of steel I pick up today. I'm just round the corner from my house. And we've got a strip light, not a bad load, springs are bent, wheel arches are nearly touching with the mud flap. So yeah, let's get going, see if we can get a bit more before we hit home. Catch you in a bit.